Hi, everybody. Welcome back to our mini math series. I'm Miss Tritch.
And I'm Miss Hayes.
Let's get started here. I'm going to quickly share my screen so you can see our little PowerPoint. Here we go.
All right, so today we are going to be talking about arrays. In second grade, we use arrays to show repeated addition. So we have 3 rows here, 1, 2, 3 rows go left to right, R for row, R for right. And columns go up and down as you see here. So this array has 3 rows of 5. So here's row 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5. This is our second row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then our third row, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this array shows us 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals our 15 here.
Here we have another example of an array. So the rows are to the right and there are 3 rows, and in each row there are 4 of the dots here. So if we count them, we have 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12.
All right, so we are going to show you a little activity that you can do with your student at home to practice drawing and solving for arrays. So all you need is, we're using a whiteboard marker and a whiteboard and an expo marker and a dice. You can also use a pencil and a piece of paper, whatever you have at home. So Lily is going to roll the dice. This 3, we're going to do 3 rows. And then your second roll is going to be how many are in each row. So we have 3 rows of 2.
All right, so 1, 2.
There you go. That's the first row.
2, 2.
Perfect. And now I want you to write the repeated addition problem for this.
All right, so I know that I have 3 rows, and then each row has 2. So it's going to be 2 plus 2 plus 2. So again, those 3 2s, 1 for each row, and that's going to be 6.
Fabulous. Let's do another one.
First time.
So she's going to have 6 rows. 6 rows of 5.
Oh my goodness. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My first row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My third row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My fourth row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My fifth row, and then my last row. Oh boy. Okay, so this is where it gets a little confusing because the students start to think columns and they're starting now to figure out how many is in each column. But again, you want to make sure it's rows. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. We're going left to right. And each row there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 should be the start of a repeated addition. And it's how many rows there are. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We said 6, right? 6. 1, 2. Oh my goodness.
So here our repeated addition equation will be 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 30.
If you want to increase it for the students who are maybe in 3rd grade or above, they start to learn multiplication towards the end of 3rd grade, and arrays are kind of the introduction to multiplication. So they'll start to recognize that this 5 plus 5, on and on, is the same thing as 5 times 6. That's it, right?
Fabulous. Yep.